Dr. Amir, what is cough made of?
Cough is a forceful expulsion of air from the lungs. It involves rapid contraction of the diaphragm and chest muscles, leading to a sudden release of air through the vocal cords. Coughing helps clear the airways by expelling irritants, mucus, or foreign particles, aiding in maintaining respiratory health.
Dr. Amir, what causes the cough?
Coughing is a reflex action that clears irritants, mucus, or foreign substances from the airways. It's a protective mechanism triggered by infections, allergies, smoke, or underlying conditions. Coughing helps maintain respiratory health by expelling potential threats and maintaining the integrity of the respiratory system.